Do you really need a prenup in Pennsylvania? Most people think that prenups are only for the ultra wealthy, or that bringing one ups mean you don't trust your partner. But really, a prenup is one of the smartest financial planning tools any couple can have. Let's break down why you might need a prenup in Pennsylvania and what it actually protects. A prenuptial agreement, or prenup, is a legal contract you and your spouse sign before marriage. It lays out how property, debts, finances will be handled if the marriage ends, either by divorce or death. It's not about planning for failure. It's quite the opposite. It's about creating clarity before conflict happens. People always think prenups are just for celebrities or millionaires, but that's simply not true. They actually make the most sense for a lot of couples. Maybe one of you is coming into the marriage with student loans or credit card debt. A prenup can make sure the other spouse doesn't get dragged into paying that debt later. Or maybe one spouse owns a business or medical practice. Without a prenup, the growth of that business during the marriage will be divided in divorce. If there are children from a previous relationship, a prenup can protect the inheritance you want to leave for your kids. Same thing with family property or expected inheritances. A prenup helps keep those in your family line. And if there's a big difference in income or assets, a prenup makes sure the terms are clear instead of leaving it all up to the judge. The bottom line is this: a prenup keeps your financial future in your hands, not the court's. In Pennsylvania, we follow equitable distribution. That means that property is divided based on what the court decides is fair, not automatically 50-50. Without a prenup, your retirement accounts, home, business, or even inheritance can be mixed into marital property and subject to division. A prenup allows you to set your own rules instead of leaving those big decisions to a judge that doesn't know you or your case at all. So let's clear up some of the biggest myths about prenups. Prenups are only for the rich. False. You don't need millions in your assets for a prenup to matter. If one of you has student loans, credit card debts, a business, or even just wants to protect family property down the road, a prenup can give you both peace of mind. Prenups mean you're planning for divorce. Not at all. Think of prenups like a life insurance policy. You buy health insurance hoping you'll never get sick, but it's how you have it when you need it. It's about protection. In fact, studies show couples with prenups often fight less about money because they already have had those tough conversations before saying I do. Prenups are one-sided. A valid prenup in Pennsylvania has to be fair, signed voluntarily, and based on full financial disclosure from both partners. That means no hidden bank accounts, no last-minute pressure, and no stacking the deck in one person's favor. When done right, a prenup protects both spouses. Here's the reality. Life happens. People's job change, take on debt, start businesses, inherit money, or face unexpected marital challenges. A prenup doesn't mean you expect the marriage to fail. It means you're protecting each other no matter what happens.